guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So today's video is on my Birchbox October month Birchbox. I totally forgot to video this, and I'm finally here, so nevertheless, so let's get started. So this month in October I received a makeup palette. This is from Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette, and it's beautiful. It has blush and the highlight and your eyeshadow. So this palette just recently came out, and it retailed for I think about $38 or so, but I got it free in my Birchbox. So we're moving on to the next item. The next one is Lace and Peel Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask, which is from Dermo. I'm gonna link all this name and everything on the bottom, so you will see what it's from. This from Dermo. I already tried it. It came with two. I already used one, and it's amazing. It leaves your skin very smooth, and it's awesome. So if you want to try it, you can go ahead and use this coupon code that they sent me, that they have on the box, on the package. 25% off. Coupon code, which is BXY25. So if you type in BXY25, you will get 25% off your entire order. So yeah, you guys should try that. Then I also got the liquid lipstick from, this is from Kat Von D, and this is like the nude color, burgundy, like not burgundy, like brown. The color is Bow Arrow. So it's Bow Arrow from Kat Von D. It's really cool. And I also got this Don't Despair Repair. I think it's like a moisturizer for your hair, or it's a shampoo, whatever it is. I won't be using it, so I could care less, but that's what it came in the box. And my favorite part of the box is this It Cosmetic Superhero Black Volume Mascara. Let me tell you, this mascara is bomb.com. Like, I used it today, and I went on my interview, and everyone's like, oh, I love your eyelashes. But this is what I used. This is the It Cosmetic new mascara that they came out with, and I got it in my Birchbox. And this is the thing. You guys should definitely get this if you have short lashes and you want to pump it up and brighten up your lashes. You should get this. This retail for I think $49 or something, and I would never pay $49 for it, but thank you Birchbox for giving it to me. So that's all for my October month Birchbox, what I have received with it. And I already used this. If you guys want to go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, which is Makeup Queen 86, and you guys could go ahead and follow me, and you will see all my makeup looks. So thank you guys for watching, and like always, see you next time. Bye.